susundan mo lang ako, at syempre, sasaya ka din. And of course, kung wala tayong art, ikaw yung leading dance choreographer, meron tayong backup dancer. And of course, sila yun. And ladies, please stand. Alright, kaya lang kami, at paano mo natin? Ate Julian. Alright, of course, to please stand and bigyan lang kami ng Ate Julian. Alright, for the number for the tune of Jolly Week. Alright, let's clap around like a shot.